Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door hinge on your dryer. The reason why you would have to do this is because your dryer door is not closing properly. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So we're going to start by opening our dryer door. And this is our hinge right here. It's held in by 5 screws. We're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver to take those out right now. Now with this last screw here, you're just going to want to make sure that you hold onto the door as you remove the screw so that the door doesn't fall on your toes and get damaged. There we go. Next thing we're going to do is remove the 2 screws here. So they're holding the hinge in the door. And now we have to remove a few more screws that are holding the door on. After we take out all these screws, we'll be able to take the door apart. Now that those screws have been removed, we can take the top half off of the bottom half of the door. Just like so. Let's move the other half of the door out of the way for now. And now we have just 2 more screws we've got to take out to get the hinge out, right here and here. Now that we've removed that last screw, the hinge comes right off. And we can take this one, set it off to the side. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hinge. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll put our hinge and our door back together. And we're just going to work in reverse order. So we've got that there. Nice and tight. You can also put those screws, these top screws in right now. Now we'll set this down for a second. We're going to grab the front of our door. Now we'll grab the other half of our door. We're going to try and line up all the holes. And once our holes are lined up, we can screw everything back together. There we go. Now that we've got the door screwed on nice and tight, we can put the door back in front of the dryer. And now what we're going to want to do is line up these 2 tabs with the little slots here. We're going to put those in, and we're going to start screwing everything back together. Before you tighten that, just make sure it's lined up with the slots there. Now you can just test your door and make sure it's closing properly. And if for some reason your door isn't closing properly, just loosen up the screws and adjust it until you get a Nice tight close. And as long as it closes properly, your door is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.